Is your family feeling a little bit out of sync? Maybe you're longing for something deeper, a home that feels grounded in faith, overflowing with love and truly united. If that's you, I want you to know you're definitely not alone. Let's dive into the secrets of building a strong Christian family, a family that stands firm, together, with Christ at its center. I still remember the first time my family started praying together every night. It seemed like such a small thing, but honestly, it changed everything. Faith isn't just a Sunday thing, it's the heartbeat of my home. That's why I encourage you. Read the Bible together, start your mornings with prayer, and celebrate those meaningful spiritual moments. When God is at the center, your family's strength only grows. But faith isn't the only ingredient. Love and respect are just as important. I've found that open, honest conversations, where we really listen, forgive quickly, and show grace even when it's tough, make all the difference. Ephesians 4:2 tells me, "Be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love." So I try to talk through disagreements without yelling, celebrate each person's strengths, and make sure everyone feels valued. Even a simple, "I'm proud of you," or a quick hug can turn an ordinary day into something sacred. Growing together spiritually can be simple too. Sometimes we'll take turns reading a favorite verse, or worship together, not just at church but around the dinner table, or even in the car. 5 minutes of prayer as a family can bring more unity and peace than you'd ever expect. Let your kids see that faith is a relationship, not just a ritual. Proverbs 22:6 reminds me, "Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it." As parents, we're our kids' first pastors. The stories I share, the love I show, and the traditions I pass down, they matter. What you do now echoes for generations. And finally, I believe your home should be a sanctuary. Encourage honest talks about faith and doubts. Set boundaries lovingly. Fill your home with prayer, scripture, and godly influences. Building a strong Christian family isn't about being perfect. It's about commitment to God, to each other, and to growing together no matter what storms may come. With Christ as your foundation, your family can shine as a beacon to the world. If this message inspired you, hit that like button, share with someone you love, and subscribe for more faith-filled encouragement. And let me know in the comments what faith tradition means the most to your family.